Today's fall recipe is stone ground mustard, which is the perfect name for this rich yellow. For this one, we're going to mix together a half teaspoon universal white, 1 tablespoon bright tone, 16 drops number 3, 6 drops number 6, and 4 drops number 7, and mix really well. You may want to double this recipe as it can take 1 to 2 more coats than the other colors. You guys know the drill, so this one's going to be short and sweet. Apply on a light to medium gray base. I applied it using a medium gray, and I love how it tinted the final color to a more dark shade. But it also took a few extra coats, so you can try doing a bit of a lighter gray and see how that works for you. Apply quickly with minimal brush strokes, allowing the cup to spin and self-level for at least an hour before moving to a dry rack, and dry a minimum of 4 hours between coats. Lighter shades will always take more layers, and this one was still pretty streaky after 2. I'd recommend a minimum of 3 coats for glitter base and 4 coats for a solid base. I was actually a bit worried after 3, thinking it might take more than I wanted to get good coverage, but I was pleasantly surprised to see how solid and smooth it was by the 4th layer. Now, yellow glitters do tend to be very translucent and let a lot of the base color through, so just make sure you've got a good solid base with this before you add your glitter. Here's the recipe after 4 layers, and we've got beautiful full coverage. I'd love to see what you guys come up with using these recipes. Tag me in those videos showing off your fall colors.